What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Jay Zapata the Barber, and in this week's video we're doing a burst taper with the number 8 on top. This haircut, in my opinion, came out super dope, super clean. The blend was on point, and you guys, I was really proud of this haircut. Like, I know it's a simple haircut, but dang. So you guys definitely want to stay tuned to see the finished outcome. But getting started with this haircut, you guys, I am using the number 8 guard with the lever all the way closed. And just using full strokes just to go ahead and save time, I'm going to go ahead and knock down the top. So by getting started on the taper on the neck, I always like to go ahead and remove any bolt that I do not need. So here I do have my number 1.5 guard with the lever all the way open, and I'm gonna just go in a flick out motion to go ahead and remove the bolt. Now here I'll be using my trimmers to go ahead and set in my bald guideline. And since I do want to keep the line up on the neck nice and dark, I'm going to go ahead and do a nice little burst taper on the back. So for this haircut, I am using my Wall cordless 5-star seniors, and if you guys don't have this, you guys could use any other Wall clippers such as the regular senior, the cordless magic clips, whatever you guys have. Just as long as it's Wall, you could use these exact same steps on the haircut that you guys are doing. But the guideline that I am doing right now is with the lever all the way open, and I'm going up about 1 inch. Now I'm going to go ahead and close the lever all the way and start to blend out that bottom line. Now here I opened up the lever halfway and then continuing to blend that bottom line, making sure that I'm flicking out. Now using the number 1 guard with the lever all the way closed, I'm going to continue to make a new guideline by going up about 1/2 inch. Still using the number 1 guard, I'm just opening the lever all the way, and using a flick out motion, I'm going to try to blend in as much as I can the 1 guard all the way open to the 1.5. Now to get rid of the bottom line, I am using my 1/2 guard with the lever all the way closed, flicking up by going up about 1/4 inch. Now here I opened up the lever halfway, and we're going to continue to blend up until it's completely gone. Here I'm just going back in with no guard and playing with the lever just to go ahead and do some detailed work. So now instead of using guard after guard after guard, to save time, I will be using my clipper over comb. And by using it, I'm going to start to blend in the 1.5 guard to the top. So the clipper over comb didn't fully blend out that 1.5 guard all the way out. So here I have the number 1 guard with the lever all the way open, and I'm going in, exaggerating that flick out motion, kinda if I was just freehand shaping the shape of the haircut. Now for the side taper, we're going to go ahead and use the exact same steps, using the number 1.5 guard to go ahead and remove the bulk. Now using my trimmers, I'm going to go ahead and set in my bald guideline. Now using the lever all the way open, I'm going to go ahead and create a guideline by going up about 1/2 inch. And for this taper on the side, I will be using mostly only the corner, just because I really want to keep that oval shape. Now I'm going to go ahead and start to blend out that bottom line, starting off with the lever all the way closed, blending up about 1/4 inch. Now with the lever halfway, we're going to go ahead and finish blending out that bottom line. Now using the number 1 guard with the lever all the way closed, we're going to go ahead and continue to blend up by going up about 1/2 inch. And as you guys can see, I'm really leaving the lineup area nice and dark, just so when I go in and line them up, it will still be nice and dark and it will look super crispy. Now here I open the lever all the way, and we're going to go ahead and continue to blend up by going up about 1/4 inch. Now at this point, I'm going to go ahead and start to blend down using my 1/2 guard with the lever halfway, and then I'll work down to the lever all the way closed just to go ahead and get rid of that bottom line. Now here I am using my number 1.5 guard with the lever all the way closed, and just flicking out using the corners. I'm going to go ahead and finish off blending off the taper. Now using the clipper over comb, I'm going to go ahead and blend in the 1.5 guard to the top. And for these haircuts, I don't really like to leave that much length on the side just because it looks so bulky, and by cleaning it up with the clipper over comb, it looks nice and tapered and a lot cleaner. Now before I line them up, I always like to go ahead and trim down the front just to go ahead and make it easier on my liners. That way it's not cutting through so much bulk. Now this next part that you guys are about to see right here is magic. Just look at these hitters. They're freaking amazing. These things are so sharp, I don't even have to touch his skin. By the time these trimmers touch the hair, the hair's already falling off. But as you guys can see, the lineup does make a huge difference. If you have a nice crispy line, it's just gonna bring out the taper even more. Like, it's gonna make it look super clean. Now to go ahead and give this haircut a nice little extra touch, I will be adding some color enhancement. And not that he needs it or anything, but just to make your client feel that much more fresh and make them that much more satisfied with the haircut, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some color enhancement. And to those that are saying, once he showers, the haircut's gonna be all messed up. No, it's not, because his hairline's already crispy. So, I mean, if he showers, it's still gonna be crispy. But that's the cut, you guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, if you guys are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. But don't forget to follow me on Instagram at JZapetaTheBarber for more little clips. But like always, I appreciate you guys watching, supporting. You guys are the reason why I do these videos. But that's it for me this week, you guys. I'll see you guys on the next one.